Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create board rule automations in Trello. If you're finding that managing tasks on Trello is taking up a significant chunk of your time, you're in the right place. This feature can be a game changer, offering a way to automate repetitive tasks, which not only saves time, but also helps streamline your workflow. Imagine having Trello handle the small but essential tasks, allowing you to focus on more critical aspects of your projects. That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Let's dive right into it. To begin setting up your board rule automations, first navigate to your Trello board. Once you're on your board, pay close attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice a small lightning bolt icon. This icon is your gateway to all of Trello's automation features. Clicking on this lightning icon will open up a drop-down menu. This menu is filled with various automation options that you can explore to enhance your Trello experience. Now, the option you want to focus on is labeled Rules. Clicking on Rules is a crucial step because it lays the foundation for creating custom automations tailored to meet your specific needs. Once you're in the Rules section, look for the Create Automation button. This is where the magic starts. By clicking this button, you open up a world of possibilities to craft an automation rule specifically designed for your workflow. Once you click on Create Automation, you will be prompted to select a trigger for your rule. But what exactly is a trigger? In Trello, a trigger is essentially an event or condition that kicks off the automation process. It could be anything from moving a card to a particular list, a new member joining your board, or even a due date approaching. Think about the tasks you perform regularly and which actions usually start them. This will help you choose the most appropriate trigger for your needs. After you have chosen your trigger, the next step is to decide on the action that should occur once the trigger is activated. Trello offers an impressive variety of actions you can select from, such as moving cards, adding labels, setting due dates, or even sending notifications. For instance, if your goal is to keep projects organized, you might want the automation to move a card to a completed list once certain conditions are met. Carefully select an action that aligns perfectly with what you aim to achieve. With both your trigger and action selected, it's time to review your automation rule. This is a critical step where you can ensure that every detail matches your intentions. Double check to confirm that the trigger and action are both accurate and will function as you expect. This review process is essential to make sure everything is set up correctly and will work seamlessly. Finally, don't forget to save your new automation rule. Once saved, your automation will be operational and ready to assist you in managing tasks more efficiently on your Trello board. This setup will lead to a more streamlined process that requires less manual intervention, freeing up your time to focus on more important tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully created a board rule automation in Trello. By automating these tasks, you're not just saving time, you're optimizing how you work, which can lead to even greater productivity and efficiency. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to create board rule automations in Trello. If you want more videos like how to create board rule automations in Trello, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.